Morning, everybody. It's 8:41, and this is your pre-opening comments video number 2006 on this December the 12th. Okay, so we had the CPI numbers come out and the NFIB Small Business Optimism uh, Index, which was down. Was expected to be 90.7, came in at 90.6. I know that doesn't seem like much, but the fact of the matter is, on a directional basis, it's still going in the wrong direction. CPI came in at up 0.1%. Expectations were for zero. Ex food and energy, they came in even higher, up 0.3%. Versus up 0.2, and the year-over-year number was 3.1. That ex food and energy makes sense because energy has come down so much of late, certainly within the confines of the last month. So what we had was a Dow that was up about 130, got up to about 159 as the high, and has now come back down a bit. Let's just see. Dow implied open is now up 80. NASDAQ was up 65, got to up 69, is currently up 39. And the S&P, which was up 9, got up to up 12 and is currently up about 6. The 10-year, which was down sharply. When I say sharply, it was down to 418. When the number came out, it actually got down to 417, and the last on it is back up over 420. So a little bit of a bounce there. Dow continues to move lower, up 65, Nasdaq up 37, and the S&P is now up $1. In the futures markets, grains are slightly higher. Crude and the rest of energy are slightly lower. The gold, which was up about 20, is now up about 11. Silver is up a quarter. Um, the dollar, on the slight increase bump up in rates, is now actually down 38 cents, 103.67, down 39. Bitcoin is up 1,060. Ethereum is up 20. And the bonds, which were up almost a full point, are now up only 13/32. Oracle yesterday, I mentioned that they had earnings yesterday afternoon. They were a bit of a disappointment, and the stock, which had closed at 115, up $1.52, got down to 103, and we're trading at about 106 and a half, down 7 or 6.4%. They got back down basically same area, 106.50. The last on them is 104.30, and that's down 10.83 or 9.4%. Ford, that company that just said everything is great, and the uh, um, demand for our biggest seller, the Ford F-150, is cutting production on the Ford F-150, citing lack of demand. So the stock is, up 2 cents. doesn't really matter, but it just shows you how full of crap most of these guys are. Alphabet loses their antitrust lawsuit with Epic Games. The stock is down about 92 cents or 0.7%. Hasbro laying off another 900 positions. The stock is 46.05. It's down 284 or 5.8%. AstraZeneca buying ICVX. It's a $15 a share price. And in addition, we haven't seen a lot of this, although a couple of months ago it was all the rage. A non tradable contingent value right, which would give the ICVX shareholders an additional $5 a share. So let me just see ICVX. The stock is 15.57. That's up $5.06 or 48%. Used car prices are higher, not lower, as expected. Asia is slightly higher, and Europe is mixed. Let's give you one last look at the futures. The S&P is now up less than $1. The Dow is up 58, and the Nasdaq is up 27. So all of these things have sold off since the CPI numbers came out. All right, folks, that's about it. I'll be back later.